my name's Gary.
And I'm Amanda.
And this is Mabel The Skoolie Bus. So if you'd like to come inside, I'll give you a little tour. So Mabel is a 1995 40-foot Bluebird bus. We bought her about 2 years ago, and we spent just under a year on the conversion, and we pretty much did everything ourselves. The standard living room area, built the sofas with all storage underneath, because we've got me, my wife, and my 13-year-old daughter. This one, we were looking at foam. Foam's really expensive, so we just got a mattress from IKEA and cut it in half. This one we kept double because I sometimes use this as a bed if I'm not feeling good. We used to have a little banquet table here with a little couch, but it wasn't really working for us because I'm 6'3", so we ripped this out, put a live edge in, and then we just built a little unit on wheels, which is also extra storage as well. And that's been working really, really well for us. Kitchen, I needed a big kitchen. I see lots of school buses with just one on one side, but I tend to spread out. We didn't want to go for cabinetry because I tend to shove things at the back, so everything we've got is drawer based. So it just gives us a little extra storage, but everything is right there. And then pots, pans, blender, we just put away. So visually, it's just a little bit clearer. We got a little 2-burner propane stove, but my oven is outside that I use if I want to bake or do anything. We don't have, interestingly, we don't have any water tanks, we don't have any grey tanks, and we don't have any black tanks. I've got 2 5-gallon jugs that I'll fill maybe every 3 days, and that does us. This is our drinking water from the Berkey. Many people have got them. I recommend them wholeheartedly. So that's our drinking and cooking water. I've got a little hand pump, so if I need some water, and if I want to do dishes, I just boil a kettle. Works for me. And that's the kitchen. We've got a apartment fridge, just runs on regular electricity, so it just runs off our solar. We've had no issues with it at all. 9.5 cubic feet. The reason why I didn't go for an RV fridge is I don't like freezers at the top and fridge, because I'm tall, so I can never get down that far, so I always like my fridge at the top. And we had a little dead space here, so we just built a little pantry on sliders, which seems to work. This is our heat source in the bus, which is a Dickinson propane sealed heater. It's vented, so we don't have to worry about moisture, and I don't have to worry about carbon monoxide. Still got a carbon monoxide alarm, but never had any issues with it at all. It's got a little fan on it, and this thing pumps out the heat. It's really good. This is our bathroom where we brush our teeth and wash our hands. Again, no water, so we just have a little bowl for washing hands that we just change every day. And that just goes out to a 5-gallon jug that I empty when it's full. My wife didn't like any of the sinks that we found in Home Depot and places like that, so she just got a little camping bowl and just retrofitted it and made it fit. This is the shower. It's a sit-down shower, obviously stores our laundry, but again, because we don't have water tanks, people ask us, how do you shower? So we use the rinse kit. That's the Rinse Kit Plus, which is just a little shower in a box. Pour some hot water in, or warm water, pressurize it, you got a 6-minute shower. It's fantastic. This is my daughter's bedroom. This is my cat. This is Kitten. Say hi, Kitten. And we've just built hers on a raised platform. These are from IKEA, just the squares, and then we've doubled them so there's 2 back to back. So we've got lots and lots of storage for her. And then these are on slide outs as well, so these work great. This is our toilet. We went for the Nature's Head. I know many people build their own. We're from Canada, so unfortunately trying to get things shipped across the border is bloody expensive, so this was an easy thing for us. Junk drawer. Every house should have a junk drawer, otherwise is it really a house? My wife's closet, my daughter's closet. I don't get a closet, unfortunately.
Surprise, surprise.
I know. And then we have a king-size bed at the back, and we have storage at the side, on each side of the bed, with our little fold-down shelves. And then our bed is built on the IKEA cubes, and we've got one here, one here, and one here in kind of a horseshoe shape. And then we just built our bed platform up a little bit, and then from the back door, this is our garage area. And then at the side of each bed, we built little computer desks. And then we've got 600 watts of solar on the roof, which powers pretty much everything in the bus. We've got a little roof deck. Yeah, these are, my wife made these. These are fantastic. It's basically just the netting, you know, a screen cut a little bit bigger. We took the plastic off, folded it over, jammed it back in, and my wife literally just cut a little rectangle, and then we can undo these, pull it in, push it up, and then we don't have to worry about the little pesky mosquitoes, flies, anything at all. And that's Mabel.
Beautiful bus, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for coming on. I really appreciate it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.